today we're kind of starting a little later. Well, because I came out to the Fiero and it was a reasonable sized puddle, so we're gonna run to O'Reilly's in Boston. I'm gonna get the seal. We're gonna change out seal. I don't know what Paul has planned for today. I know he's trying to get his boost controller working. Get away from the manual boost controller. Yeah. So we got, that's pretty much my plan. Oh yeah, and then, that's right, today's fire and safety. We finally care enough about our cars that we both got some fire extinguishers. So we'll be installing some fire extinguishers, so that'll be pretty cool. And but yeah, so I'm just waiting for this to get in there and then we'll head out.
The ground came off.
The ground did?
It must have snapped on the whatever fitting I had on there.
But yeah, let's do this. Alright, got the seals, got another quart, and we're ready. Alright, well, it's already up. So what I'm probably going to do is separate the tie rod and then the ball joint, and then loosen up the strut a little bit, just because I'm not dropping the back of the cradle down. So, as we can tell, Fiero's in its natural habitat, and the Conquest is about to be in its natural habitat, so always on jacks. So yeah, then we'll get those. I already took off the axle nut. So once that's out, then all we got to do is just pound the axle, basically get the axle out, pull the axle out, and then we can get that seal out. We can get this seal out, and as you can tell, it's leaking real hard. If you look at this side, it's all dry. I mean, it's wet on one side because from last night because it puddled. But yeah, and it looks like my valve cover's probably leaking too. So I'm thinking I might pop off the back valve cover and change out some rockers. So we'll see how enthusiastic I'm feeling after doing this actual thing. If it goes good, then maybe I will. So let's get this thing off. And we're also going to be making a custom, it's like a rod, an adjustable length push rod for his clutch. So hopefully that will do the trick. We're going to dream a little dream. And, but yeah, let's do this. Alright, that was actually reasonably easy. Separated ball joint, separated tie rod, and then that thing just moves. I didn't even have to unload or loosen up the top. Don't worry about my brakes, they're nothing bad happening there. So I got it separated, it's draining. I'm probably going to pull the axle out now. So, well, it's already, I already separated it. So now all we got to do is just pull it out. One bad thing I did notice is it looks like we sprung a leak on this boot. So I'm going to have to do that, but I don't have the money for that. And we got a car show this weekend, or coming up weekend. So that'll have to be fine. But, oh, it looks like got one on this side too.
What?
On that axle.
Yeah.
Yep.
It'll make another week.
Someone sabotaged me. I wonder if you can get different colors for the boots. I'll have to look. That'd be cool.
With green ones.
That's awesome. Yeah, if I could find like fancy colored ones, like silicone ones or something, that'd be sweet. I'll have to look. But yeah, let's keep her moving. Oh yeah, what didn't you have something to say, Paul?
Oh yeah, Sundays for the boys.
Sundays for the boys. I guess that's a thing Paul wants to implement. We're coming for you, TJ Hunt. We're coming for you, TJ Hunt. You can have Saturday, we'll have Sunday. But yeah, let's continue on. Alright. So, I don't know if we're going to be able to see it because I want to show it before I start prying on it and shit. Yeah, you can see. You got torn. It looks like it's a little bit oblong too. So, I think it was like that, I just didn't notice it, so. oh well. Now we're gonna swap them out. But I'm gonna probably pry that one out using the old screwdriver method. Just got to be careful not to scratch around the outside, which I don't think it should be a big deal. So, in the aspect of it looks like it's not going to be an issue. So let's see how well it comes out. All right, so I was prying on this one popped right off, and then because this guy goes on there like so, yeah, now you can really see what got fucked up on it. Like it was kind of broken there, and then you got these divots right there. It'll focus. So, yeah. Let's pound in a new one. Hopefully it's that easy. I'm gonna use like a 32mm socket, I believe I have. So that's what I'm gonna use. And we'll just kind of pound it in. But I'm gonna clean that up real quick, and then we'll give her a try. All right, so here it is. It's out. I ended up taking the drain out so that way we could drain it. And so while I was doing that, I happened to look up. Look at that. I'm missing one. But wait, there's more. I'm missing another one. So that could explain why I haven't been making, because it's supposed to be a 10 PSI wastegate. And I've only been making 6. Sometimes it makes 7. So yeah, we'll see what kind of difference that makes. I mean, the gasket looks fine. So we'll see what happens. All right, there it is. New one's on. So let's get the axle back in and be good to go. And then find 2 bolts, put those in. And then I also want to try and get the pull off that back valve cover so we can look at that too. So yeah, let's get this done. All right, it's back together. Now I just gotta put the wheel on, and then drop it down, make sure it's finished draining, and then fill her up. All right, so what we've done so far, I've replaced that intake valve, that one. The shiny ones are the ones I just replaced. I'm replacing all the intake valves, and then the one right there, that's the next one to be replaced. I guess my philosophy behind replacing those is because, well, one, I've only got 4 left, so I can't even replace all of them. But I know I heard something back here, so I guess my philosophy is behind that is when the timing chain went, all the intake valves went, or you know, so maybe something got fucked. So far I've took these 2 off. I didn't, you know, nothing crazy. So hopefully that's the problem. Because I don't have any more. I'm gonna have to order more rockers if it continues. So, but yeah, let's get this one done, and then put the cover back on, fire it up, and hopefully I don't hear any more ticking. So let's do that. Even though it could be a lot of things, but dreaming a little dream here. Because I know we had that one push rod go through that rocker, so this is kind of a thing, like a peace of mind as well. So, yep, let's keep going. All right, so there they are. You can barely see them, but there you go. The 3 shiny ones are the new ones. So let's see how this goes. All right, it's on. I haven't fixed turbo bolts yet, but I want to know whether that's going to get rid of that tick noise, so I'll let you know. Alright, I doubt you'll be able to hear, but you gotta take my word for it. There's still a tick, but it's like the same all around. Before it, you could tell it was coming from back here. So I wish it would have been like obvious as to why it was like that, but maybe it like squished a trunnion or something. But yeah. There's that. Now let's get a turbo fixed, but I gotta go help Paul real quick, so let's do that. Alright. They're on there. Now we got all 4. So now we gotta get the turbo blanket back on. And we can take it for test spin. Well, this is a thing we're trying to extend for the pedal, because the hole in the pedal has like oblong. So we're gonna push it out as far as we can to get rid of some play. So let's try this. Alright, so Paul's gonna go test the clutch, and yeah, I got my fire extinguisher mounted, pretty good. I'll probably get another one here, because it never hurts to have more than one. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go test the turbo fix, and then obviously I figured out that didn't make noise, and then we also got to test the trans. So let's do this. Well, My car's doing better. Paul says his is doing better. So, and look at that, some fire safety. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.